ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes sir. Yes teacher. Present ma'am.
Hello, good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, welcome to the Samveda e-classes. I am again here with you with the part second of the my previous lesson, class 4th, unit 5 hobbies, subject English second language, and the part second of the 4th. Children, now in this second session we are going to learn about grouping words, the words which we will divide into two groups, and the second one rhymes. We are going to sing some rhymes, and the third one rearranging the jumbled words. There are words given which are jumbled and we are going to rearrange them, and the fourth one is rhyming words. We are going to learn about rhyming words, what are rhyming words, and we will discuss it in detail in further. Okay children, now here is the homework which I had given you in my previous class. Did you remember? Yes. What was the question? Practice reciting the poem with rhythm and recite it in front of your peers, parents or teachers. Children, did you memorize the poem? I hope you have memorized as well as and you have recited in front of your friends or teachers. Okay children, what was the second question? The second question was list at least 5 hobbies of yours. Children, have you listed your hobbies? What are they? Yes. Okay, very good. And here was the last question. Draw a picture of nature consisting trees, mountains, sky, clouds and grass. Children, have you drawn? Yes. How was that picture? Whom did you show that? बच्चों, आपने वो ड्राइंग उतारा है ना? Very good. उम्मीद करता हूँ आप ज़रूर उतारे होंगे. Now children, we are moving further, but before moving to the further classes, let's watch a video. Okay children, let's watch.
Out in the garden each fine day, with my ball I like to play. I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball on each fine day.
Out in the garden
enjoy the video? Yes, I hope you have enjoyed. How was that? Very good. It was a good rhyme. Now children, we are going to further. Here are some words. Here are some words. I am going to read these words. Listen carefully. This activity is based on pronunciation. बच्चों, हम इस एक्टिविटी में सही तलफ़ुज़ के साथ पढ़ने के बारे में हम सीखेंगे. Okay children, let's see here. The first word is short. Short. Shell. Cheek. Fish. Stitch. Catch. Match. Shoe. Flesh. Cherry. Rich. Rush. Ship. Chair. Mesh. Shine. Okay children, did you listen carefully? Yes. बच्चों, आपने इन वर्ड्स को गौर से सुना? Yes. There is a relationship between these words. Okay children, can you tell me any similarities in these words which we can divide in two groups? बच्चों, ये जो अल्फाज हैं यहाँ पर, इन तमाम अल्फाज में एक तरह की एकसानियत है, सिमिलैरिटी है. क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि क्या हम उन सिमिलैरिटी के बुनियाद पर इन्हें दो ग्रुप में तकसीम कर सकते हैं? Yes, yes, your guess was right. I will tell you, these all words are, they have either sh, sh sound, or ch, ch sound. Okay children, we will see this. Open your book and see page number 70. What is there? There is a page and here are those words. Okay children, now we are going to do this task. बच्चों, अब हम ये टास्क कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं. ठीक है? देखिए, डिवाइड द वर्ड्स इनटू टू ग्रुप्स. द फर्स्ट ग्रुप हैज वर्ड्स विथ sh, means sh sound, and the second with ch, that is ch sound. Write them in the parts A and B. Some examples are given. बच्चों, समझे आप? इन वर्ड्स को हम दो बॉक्सेस में, दो ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करना है. पहला जो ग्रुप ए है, इसमें हम ऐसे वर्ड्स डालना है जो sh यानी श की साउंड रखते हैं, और जो दूसरा है ग्रुप बी, इसमें ch यानी च साउंड के अल्फाज रखते हैं. Here two words are given. In group A, word is short. The word short, it has sh, that is sh sound, and the another word is mesh, mesh, sh, sh sound. Like that, in the group B, there are two words. The first one is match. Can you see children? The letters ch, the sound ch, match, and the second one cheek, again ch, ch, cheek. Now children, we are going to divide these words in two groups. Okay children, let's see one by one. The word short, it will come in group A. Shell, it also come into group A. Cheek, yes, it has ch sound. This word goes to group B. Cheek. And fish. Fish, it has SH, sh sound. So we can add this word into group A. Like that, see the next word, stitch. It has CH, ch sound. So we are adding this word to group B. Okay, children? Catch, it will also come to group B. And match, this word also has CH, cha sound. So children, the word match goes to group B. Like that, shoe. Shoe, this word has SH, sh sound. Children, can you tell me the word shoe, in which group we can add this word? Yes, group A, SH. So sh goes to group A. Like that, flesh. Flesh. Flesh, it has SH sound. It goes to group A. Like that, cherry. Cherry goes to group B because it has CH sound, ch sound. Like that, rich. It also goes to group B, cherry. Like that, rush. Rush, this word has SH, sh sound. So children, rush goes to group A, SH group. Here is the last line, ship. It has SH sound, so it also goes to group A. We can add this word to group A, ship. Chair, this word goes to group B. Mesh, it has SH, sh sound, so it has already added mesh. And the last one, shine. Shine, it has SH, sh sound. Okay children, this word we can add to also group A. Okay children, did you understand? बच्चों आप समझे, हम इन अल्फाज को च और श साउंड के बुनियाद पर डिवाइड कर दो ग्रुप में डाले हैं. Now children, you have to write these words in the given boxes in your textbook with pencil. Okay children, here are the answers. Look here once again. Group A, SH sound, SH group. It has short, shell, fish, shoe, flesh, rush, ship, mesh, shine. These all words have SH, sh sound. Like that, group B, it is CH group, CH sound group. So like that, cheek, stitch, catch, match, cherry, rich and chair. Okay children, have you understood? I hope you should write in your textbook. Okay children, very good. Now we are moving further. Look here, on page number 71 in your textbook, on page number 71 there are rhymes. There are two rhymes. We are going to sing these rhymes. Okay children, do you want to sing with me? बच्चों, अब हम इन राइम्स को गुनगुनाएंगे. आप भी मेरे साथ गुनगुनाना चाहेंगे? Okay, I have this rhyme. I have enlarged it. बच्चों, मैंने इस राइम को डिटेल में लिया है, इसको हम पढ़ेंगे. But before that, let's watch some images. Okay children, look here. What is there in this image? Yes, here there is a tree. There is a tree, and where is the tree? The tree is in the park. The tree is in the park, and what is around the tree? There is grass. Okay children, let's the next one image. What is there in this image? Yes, there is a tree, and a tree has a branch. Tree has a branch. बच्चों, इस तस्वीर में दरख्त के साथ उसकी शाख है, उसकी एक शाख है. In the third image, look here. In this image, there is a tree, a branch, and also there is a, what is this? A nest. There is a nest. Now, look here. What is there in that image? There is a nest, and in the nest there is an egg. बच्चों, इस तस्वीर में एक नेस्ट के अंदर एक एग है, अंडा है. Like that, look here, the next one. In this image, there is a nest, an egg, and a bird. There is a bird also. Like that, in this image, what can we see in this image? In this image, we can see all these. What are these? A tree, a branch, a nest, an egg, and a bird. Okay, children? Now, I am going to sing that rhyme. Okay, children? Look here. Here is the first image, a tree. What is the rhyme? There is a lovely tree, a lovely, lovely tree. The tree is in the park and green grass grows around, around. बच्चों, समझे आप? एक दरख्त है, दरख्त पार्क में है और उसके अतराफ में घास है, green grass. Like that, look here, the next one. Next one. What is there? A tree and a branch. There is a lovely branch, a lovely, lovely branch. The branch is in the tree is in the park, and green grass grows around, around. Children, now we are enlarging our rhyme. First, we saw a tree in the park. In the next one, there was a branch, and the branch is in the tree. Like further, we goes in detail and detail. See this third stanza. There is a lovely nest, a lovely, lovely nest. The nest is in the branch is in the tree is in the park, and green grass grows around, around. Enjoying, children? How is this poem? How is this rhyme? Yes, it's very interesting. Now, tree, branch, and nest. Now, we are moving further. Look here, there is an egg also. So, children, you can also sing with me. Okay, children, repeat after me. There is a lovely egg, a lovely, lovely egg. The egg is in the nest is in the branch is in the tree is in the park, and green grass grown around, around. Okay, children? Now, we are moving further. What is there? Egg, nest, egg, as well as a bird. Okay, children? Now, start singing with me. Okay, children? There is a lovely bird, a lovely, lovely bird. The bird is on the egg is in that nest. The nest is on the branch is in the tree is in the park, and green grass grown around, around. Okay, children? How was the rhyme? Very good. Now, we are going to watch a small video, children. Okay, children? Let's watch a small video.
Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 and I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? When he shook his little tail and away he flew. Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 and I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? When he shook his little tail and away he flew.
Okay children, did you enjoy this video? Yes, I hope. Now we are going to read the same rhyme. We are going to read the same rhyme which is also has given in your textbook. What is there? Now we are going to read that rhyme in chorus. You should repeat after me. Okay children? We should sing it as the way we watched in that video. Okay children? See here. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the tree to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Okay children? Now you also repeat after me. Okay children? We will sing this rhyme by one line. Okay children? You repeat after me. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. Yes, say. Good. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Very good. I was going to the tree to say, how do you do? Okay children? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Very good children. You are excellent. Now, children, here are some fill in the blanks. Here are some jumbled words. Okay children, I have told you we are going to sing rhymes and jumbled words. Jumbled words. What are these jumbled words? Here, look here. OLOBD. Now we are going to fill this blank with the word which is jumbled. Okay children? The ink is as red as dash. The ink is, do you know what is the meaning of ink? Ink, सियाही. पेन में रहती है ना काड़ी में सियाही. The ink is as red as dash. Did you got it? Look at this image. What is the man doing? Yes, very good. He is taking, what is he taking? Blood. Very good. This word is also blood. B-L-O-O-D. So we have to write blood. The ink is as red as blood. Very good children. Now, let's see the second one. The birds are happy dash. So we have to fill this word, and the word is here, it is jumbled. It is jumbled, not in order. बच्चों यहाँ पर ये जो वर्ड हमको फिल करना है वो स्पेलिंग आगे पीछे है, इनको सही तरतीब में जोड़कर इसमें फिल करना है. So which is this word? You can get the hint of this image. What is the man doing in this image? Very good. The man is singing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Singing. The birds are happy Singing. Very good. Now children, look here. Sketching is my dash. And the word is here. BOHYB. So children, here is a hint. Name of the lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Very good. Hobby. So the word here, it will come hobby. Like that children. See here. So now I lie here dash. It is the same line as you have read in that poem. My hobby. Okay children. What is the word? Guess the word. By watching, observing this image, what is the girl doing? Very good. The girl is drawing. Well done children. The word is drawing. So now I lie here drawing. Very good children. Here is one more. The last one. This world is my cherished dash. So children, can you find out which word will come? OEVL. Through this image, what is the mother doing with the baby? Yes, very good. It is LOVE. Love. This word is my cherished love. Well done children. You have done this task very beautifully. Excellent. Now children, let's coming to our last one, the last session, last task, that is rhyming words. Children, you know rhyming words. Okay children? Rhyming words किसे कहते हैं बच्चों? Two or more words that don't start with the same sound but they end with the same sound. बच्चों राइमिंग वर्ड्स को उर्दू में हम खाफिया या हम खाफिया अल्फाज कहते हैं. तो इसको ज़्यादा डिटेल में मत जाइए. यहाँ पर डेफिनेशन को देखकर हम समझ सकते हैं कि राइमिंग वर्ड्स किसे कहते हैं. व्हाट आर द राइमिंग वर्ड्स? द वर्ड्स, द पेयर ऑफ टू वर्ड्स, टू आर मोर वर्ड्स दैट डोंट स्टार्ट विद द सेम साउंड. दो ऐसे अल्फाज या दो से ज़्यादा ऐसे अल्फाज जो सेम आवाज से शुरू तो नहीं होते मगर दे एंड विद द सेम साउंड, मगर वो वर्ड्स सेम साउंड पर खत्म होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लुक हियर, बुक. द राइमिंग वर्ड ऑफ बुक इज लुक. बुक, लुक. These two words, they don't start with the same. This word start with B, and this word with L, the L sound. So these words, they are not started with the same sound, but they are ending with the same sound or same letters. Letters may be different, but the sound is important. Okay children? ये दो अल्फाज शुरू एक आवाज से, सेम आवाज से शुरू नहीं हुए, मगर ये दोनों अल्फाज क्या है, खत्म एक आवाज पर हो रहे हैं. जैसे उक, उक, बुक, लुक, हुक, कुक. So these are rhyming words. Look here, second image, second example, goat, boat, कोट, रोट. बच्चों, ये राइमिंग वर्ड्स हैं, मगर यहां पर गौर कीजिए, लास्ट में टी है, यहां पर भी टी है, यहां पर भी टी है, मगर यहां पर ई है. तो हमें स्पेलिंग चाहे सेम रहो या ना रहो, आवाज सेम होना चाहिए. वर्ड के लास्ट में आवाज सेम होनी चाहिए. गोट, बोट, कोट, रोट. This word also ends with t sound. So children, here are rhyming words. These are rhyming words. Can you say me more rhyming words? Look, see further. In this poem, the poem My Hobby, here is the first stanza. In this stanza, there are rhyming words. There are 2 rhyming words. Which are they? बच्चों, इस stanza में आप 2 rhyming words को पहचानिए. Rhyming words usually comes at the end of the line. At the end of the line. Look here, children. The word S, D, G, D. So we can see D and D. Then read these words. Found, sound. Found, sound. These are rhyming words. Very good, children. And now here, can you identify 2 rhyming words in this stanza? बच्चों, इस स्टांजा में 2 rhyming words को आप पहचानिए. Very good. In this stanza also, the rhyming words are at the end of the second line and the end of the 4th line. What are those words? Yes, away, away and play. Away, play. These are rhyming words. Very good, children. Now here is the last one. This is the 3rd stanza. You can easily find out. बच्चों, अब आप आसानी से पहचान चुके हैं. I know that. What are the rhyming words? Yes, it is. These are seen, serene, seen, serene. These are rhyming words. Okay, children? Did you understand what are the rhyming words? Very good, children. Now, here is a homework for you. Children, here is the homework. What is the homework? Open your textbook and see page number 73. What is there on the page number 73? Yes, here is again the rhyming words. The rhyming words. Work with a partner, think of more words that rhyme with the words. One has been done for you. बच्चों, आपके लिए यहाँ पर ये rhyming words को fill up करना है और एक मिसाल आपको दी गई है. क्या है वो? Sound, found, round, bound. Okay, like that you have to write the rhyming words of park and nest. Park and nest. You have to write 3 rhyming words of park and 3 words of nest. Like that, one more homework is there. It is also about drawing. Okay, children, आपने पिछले क्लास के होमवर्क में भी आपने ड्राइंग उतारी थी. यहाँ पर आपको ड्राइंग उतारना नहीं, ड्राइंग ऑलरेडी है. You have to color. आपको इसमें रंग भरना है. Okay, children, you have to color. Some pictures are given below. Color them as you like. आप जैसे चाहे वैसे इसमें कलर भर सकते हैं. अब ये जो लड़की है, इसको आप जिस तरह का शर्ट आप पहनाना चाहते हैं उस तरह का कलर भरिए. जिस तरह के शूज पहनाना चाहते हैं उस तरह का कलर भरिए. Like that, there is a boy swimming in the water. Like that, there is a pond. Okay, children, you have to do this homework. Okay, children, will you do this? I hope you will do. Okay, children, now by hoping you will do the homework and understand the lesson, the whole lesson, and you should be connected with your studies. Now I am going to take a leave from you. I am Muhammad Ayyub, Assistant Teacher, Government Higher Primary School, Urdu Talmari from Raichur district. Okay, children, till my next class, take care. Thank you, children.